Today, I'll be showing you the best translation apps for your Shopify store. Let's dive right into our first one here. This one's called Transy. It's an AI language translator. It's going to allow you to translate your store into any language and add currency converters to drive sales worldwide. It's going to provide robust tools and automation to translate your online store into multiple languages and offer real-time currency conversion, enabling you to expand globally with ease. You can set your website to be multilingual. You can see some of the translations here. You can also edit the translations on all pages if you look at them and they look incorrect to you. You're also going to get unlimited words translated by AI. It's also going to have a currency converter built in. It's also going to sync it with the checkout pages, which is really nice. So overall, quite a few good features in here. In terms of pricing, there's a free to install plan, which gives you unlimited words for advanced AI translation. You also get expert service on demand. You're going to get unlimited auto AI translations in the free plan, but you're only going to get one language and one currency. As you start to move up in pricing, you get more languages, and on the premium plan, you do get a customer success manager as well. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars, almost 5,000 5-star reviews, so an extremely popular app here. For the next app, it's going to be T-Lab. Again, it's going to be an AI language translation app. So you can translate your store, add multiple languages and currencies so you can reach new markets. It has manual translations, automatic translations with AI. You can also do bulk translations, and overall you can see how it's working from converting things such as the title and the body text of a product. Again, it's going to have multi-currency support. You can see it's also changing it in the checkout, which is really nice as a lot of currency switcher apps just change it in the cart and the customer still has to check out in the currency of your Shopify store. It's going to help translate the checkout page, and you can sell in 160 plus currencies. You can also show different images in different languages as well, which I think is really nice. You can also translate third-party apps and external resources. It's also going to add unique URLs that are created on each translation page, as well as the meta tags and the href links, and so search engines will index your store in each language. Also going to automatically detect the language that the user has preferred and then translate your store in that language. In terms of pricing, again, there is a free to install plan, and you can edit translation for 20 plus languages, and you get free 2,000 words monthly for AI translation. So unlimited manual, auto AI, bulk AI, image translations, as well as third-party app translation. So starting at $9.99 a month, you get free 25,000 words monthly for AI. And at the most expensive plan, which is $29.99, you get a free 100,000 words monthly. In terms of reviews, excellent 4.9 stars with 944 5-star reviews. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money you've actually made. That's where Profit Calc comes in. The one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations on how profitable your store actually is. It's going to give you a ton of different details and analytics and data. This will allow you to make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts and many cost of goods sold methods. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below. And from there, you can get a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. For our third app, let's take a look at eTranslate. So again, you're applying multilingual and multi-currency to your Shopify store. The buyer can then check out in their local currency. It's going to allow you to get more traffic with multilingual SEO. You can also have the user customize the language or currency manually. You can also do different images in each language, as well as an automatic switcher based on the geolocation of the potential customer. In terms of their pricing here, they have a 7-day free trial. The free plan is going to have unlimited page views. You can add 20 languages and 153 currencies, but you're only going to get AI translation for one language. But you're also going to get the multilingual SEO and Shopify payment support. In terms of the paid plans, they have an $8.99 and $16.89. We're going to get more AI translation. We ignore these reviews here, which it does look like they might have addressed. They're sitting at a really good 4.8 stars with 934 5-star reviews. And if we go down a little bit, we can see quite a few more 5-star reviews for this application. Let's take a look at our last app here. This one is Shopify's own Translate and Adapt app that is completely free. So you can translate your store into different languages. It has auto translations for 2 languages for free. And you can edit them side by side and adapt them for different markets. So this app was launched by Shopify just last year. You do get those auto translation into languages using Google Translate. In terms of reviews for Shopify's own app, it's sitting at a 4.3 stars with 135 5-star reviews. And the last review is that it's a nice app, easy to set up and easy to translate. And so a completely free option if you're looking at an alternative that's made by Shopify themselves. So this is going to conclude the video here on Shopify translation apps. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out. I'm also coming with new videos on Shopify tutorials all the time, so you'll also want to stay subscribed. Before I go, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to access the Shopify listing directly.